This might look like just another YouTube video telling you how to grow your small channel, but it's not what you think. Because the truth is, the algorithm doesn't care about your channel size. It cares about something else entirely. And if you get this one thing right, you could go from 6 views to 600K without ever begging for subscribers. Yeah, sounds dramatic? Good, because most creators are sleepwalking through their uploads, throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks. But here's the twist. The algorithm is not your enemy. It's your biggest opportunity, and it's practically screaming for someone, anyone, to just give it what it wants. Right now, as you're watching this, there's a small creator somewhere with no fancy gear, no team, and a busted laptop who just hit 50,000 subscribers. Why? Because they did one simple thing. They optimized for viewer retention. Not views, not likes, not hashtags, just attention. And you're about to learn how to do exactly that. Drop a comment. What's your channel about? I'll reply with a free growth tip. Free tools I mention in this video: Vidig.com, TubeBuddy.com. Ready for the real reasons small channels blow up while others die in silence. Let's go. If you think the algorithm is broken or biased against small channels, you're not alone. But here's the cold truth. YouTube doesn't hate small creators. It hates boring ones. Yeah, I said it. You could have 0 subscribers and still get pushed to millions. If, and only if, you give YouTube what it lives and breathes for: retention. See, here's what most people miss. If your video makes someone stop scrolling, watch longer than usual, and click another video right after, the algorithm loves you. You're feeding its addiction, watch time, and in return, it feeds you back with traffic. But if your video drops off after 20 seconds, if your viewer clicks away mid-sentence, YouTube thinks, nope, not addictive enough. Let's move on. Boom, dead in the water. Now here's the scary part. Even great videos fail if the first 30 seconds don't hook the viewer. It's like showing up to a party in a clown suit. People decide instantly if you're worth sticking around for. So how do small channels win this game? By mastering the first 15 seconds like their life depends on it. Because honestly, on YouTube, it kinda does. Want proof? Look up any viral video from a tiny creator. Almost every time, the opening is punchy, unexpected, and fast. There's no, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, nonsense. They get straight to the point, or better yet, straight to the problem. Let's keep going. Now let me make this painfully clear. You don't need crazy editing. You don't need zooms and explosions and 6 different camera angles. You just need to stop being predictable. Instead of saying, in today's video, I will be explaining, try, look, this one thing is killing your growth and you don't even know it yet. Boom, now I'm listening. The goal? Make the viewer feel like something important is about to happen. Every 15 seconds should have a reason to keep watching. A question, a twist, a hook, a bold claim, anything but the same flat, let's dive right in script that's been copy-pasted to death. The algorithm notices these drops. Watch time plunges, engagement dries up, and your video vanishes. But flip that energy, you'll see spikes in average view duration, more impressions, and more recommendations. Quick challenge for you. Next time you write a script, ask yourself, if I watched this on mute, would I still be curious? That's your clue. Visual energy matters. Voice matters. Even the pacing of your pauses? Yeah, the algorithm picks that up. And if you nail it, suddenly, you're no longer a small creator. You're a watch time machine. Now hang tight. In the next section, I'll show you exactly what small creators are doing right to make YouTube work for them, even without gear, money, or editing skills. You don't want to miss it. So here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech wizard, a master editor, or Mr. Beast's long-lost cousin to win on YouTube. What you do need, a strategy that works for you, not some copy-paste guru course. Let me give it to you straight. Small creators are blowing up right now by doing these 3 insanely effective things. 1. They pick ultra-specific video ideas. Not how to lose weight, but how I lost 10 kilos in 30 days without gym or diet apps. See the difference? It's sharp, Intriguing, clickable. YouTube eats that specificity up like popcorn. 2. They cluster their content. Instead of random uploads, they create mini-series. 3 videos on one pain point, then 3 more on a related angle. This makes binge watching easier, and the algorithm rewards that with insane watch time. 3. They analyze what's already working and remix it. They're not inventing brand new wheels. They're looking at viral videos in their niche, finding patterns in thumbnails, pacing, and topics, and creating better, faster, sharper versions of that content with their own twist. Now here's what's wild. Most of these creators have under 1,000 subs, but their videos are ranking next to channels with 1 million plus. Why? Because the algorithm doesn't rank channels, it ranks videos. Let that sink in. You can have no subscribers today and still go viral next week. And guess what? The creators doing this aren't spending money. They're using free tools like ChatGPT, vidIQ, CapCut, and Canva. All free, all powerful, no excuses left. So ask yourself, are you uploading videos or are you uploading weapons the algorithm can't ignore? And don't worry, in this final part, we're going to wrap it up with the biggest mindset shift small creators need before they hit publish. You're gonna love this. Let's finish strong. Alright, here's the part nobody talks about. The algorithm isn't just numbers and code. It's like a mirror, reflecting the energy, effort, and emotion you put into your content. So if your vibe is off, your views will be too. Most small creators get stuck in one of 2 traps. Trap 1, overthinking every little thing. What if nobody watches? What if I sound weird? What if it flops? Spoiler alert, it might, but guess what? That flop teaches you more than 1,000 tutorials ever could. Trap 2, waiting to be ready. They delay filming, delay uploading, delay starting. Meanwhile, some 15-year-old just posted their 3rd video and landed on trending. Because they started. Here's the truth bomb. You don't need 100 perfect videos. You need 1 imperfect video that you actually publish. Let me put it this way. The algorithm doesn't favor perfection. It favors momentum. And that comes from consistency, not hesitation. So, next time you're second-guessing your title, thumbnail, script, lighting, voice, shirt, hair, cat in the background, pause, laugh a little, and just post the damn video. Because here's the funny part. You're not chasing the algorithm. The algorithm is just waiting for you to give it something it can run with. And once you do, it doesn't matter if your channel is small. It doesn't matter if you messed up the intro or stuttered once or twice. It only matters that someone out there couldn't stop watching and told YouTube, yo, show me more of this. So here's your move. Pick a topic, write that hook, keep the pacing snappy, forget perfection, hit upload. And hey, if it flops, we laugh, learn, and try again. Because the algorithm isn't a gatekeeper. It's a partner, just waiting for you to show up. Drop a like if you felt that. Comment your next video idea. I'll personally reply. Subscribe if you're done waiting and ready to build. And remember, stop overthinking, start uploading, and let the algorithm fall in love.